Hey, today I'm gonna unbox the DJI Osmo Mobile 6 gimbal. I got it on sale for $106, and I've been looking forward to this. And here it is. I got it in platinum gray. Then I'm gonna unbox it. I got it at this store called Liverpool, and I've been looking forward to getting this because this is a big help. Okay, you can see the packaging is really nice and neat. It's small. You can see how small it is. Okay, I'm gonna unbox it. The packaging is nice and neat. I really like that. Here it is. Okay, here's the little pouch. I'm not too happy about that little pouch. It just seems like a little bag, so it seems too simple. And here's the DJI quick starter guide, the instructions, warranty information. I think that's the quick start guide. And also the two little deals, the light cut QR code, the phone adjuster, the little phone clamp is nice and rugged. And this is the tripod that goes underneath the gimbal itself. It's pretty nice. And that's the gimbal right there. That's the buddy shot. Let me go ahead and open it and show you guys. There it is. I've been waiting months to buy this. Finally got it. Right off the bat, you have to charge it because I know it's not charged. And these little things, they go on the phone clamp, and people don't. I've had to go on YouTube and see how that how they go, and it has a USB Type C charger. That's where the tripod legs go. So I'm gonna go ahead and charge the USB Type C. I'm gonna go ahead and charge it. See, so the light is blinking red. That means it needs to be charged. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And it has a little promotional QR code to try out the DJI Light Cut app, which I already downloaded. Okay. And so the gimbal is still charging. So it's blinking yellow. That means it's still charging. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep charging it. Okay, this is the tripod legs. I'll just show you what it looks like. Here, this is where the phone clamp, those little deals, they go on the side. Because if you take a look at them, there's no instructions on the quick user guides. You put them on the side. So it'll be nice and sturdy. And here's the phone clamp. You see, you just put the phone clamp onto the back of the cell phone. You want to make sure they're not in the way of the power button or the volume button. And you just put it on like so, pretty nice and easy. See, if you put it, you can slide it up and down. You can adjust it if you want to. I can't adjust it anymore because it's gonna hit my camera. Okay, so there's a little button there that goes up, like, attached to the DJI gimbal. So I attached it right there. It's attached. Now you gotta sync it. You gotta have Bluetooth activated on it. So there it is. I got the tripod working, and I think it's synced already. And there's a lot of settings to play with. They also have a once you power on the gimbal, if you connected it with via Bluetooth, there's a DJI Academy that it'll guide you through the the menu and the functions. So that's pretty neat, really intuitive. So you gotta go to and sync your tripod, your gimbal with the Mimo DJI Mimo app. That's what I'm doing. You gotta pair it. It's syncing now. Okay. So you gotta accept the terms and conditions for the DJI Mimo app. You gotta let it use your location and whatnot. Now it's gonna give you like a little mini tutorial, so you can learn what to do with the tripod. You could change how you want the on the tripod if you want the different type of modes. You can switch between video and photo mode. There's a bunch of tricks that you can do. You can zoom in and zoom out. Those are different type of ships, but I'll show you in another video. So this is the things that it comes with. You got the clamp, the gimbal itself, and just put it inside the little pouch. I purchased a little case for it because I don't like that pouch. I think that this is an investment that you're gonna make. You don't want that to fall, and so you can also put this little pouch like in a backpack or in a bag or in a it's like in a briefcase that you carry. But I don't trust it. That's why I purchased a case for it. So that's you can take it that way. And then people don't won't know that you have a DJI Mavic, DJI Osmo Mobile 6 in your pocket, I guess, or in your belongings. I'm really happy with it. This is gonna improve my videos and the quality of the videos. I want to say thank you for watching and have a great day.